Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to cut natural wood veneer with Cricut. I will be making wooden bookmarks to show you the process. I will go ahead and start working with the design in the Cricut Design Space program. But before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I will be using my free bookmark templates. If you would like to use them, I invite you to visit me on my blog. I will link it in the video description below, along with all the supplies used in this tutorial. Download the templates and upload them to the Cricut canvas. Once in your canvas, select them and click on Ungroup. Delete the watermarks and select the size of your choice. I'm going to be using the 2 by 7 inches. I think it resized when I upload it, so I'm going to change the measurements to 2 by 7 inches. Now I'm going to add a simple design. I'm going to click on Images to insert an image from the Cricut gallery. If you have the membership, you have access to most of these designs. If you don't worry. Just click where it says free, and there you're going to see the list of free designs that you can use. Select the design and add it to the canvas. I'm going to place it on top of the template. Now I'm going to select it. I'm going to go to Couture and I'm going to remove this part. Now select both layers, click on Align and align center horizontally. Keep it selected, then click on Slice. Remove the layers that you don't need and ready. Here is the bookmark ready to be cut. I'm going to cut these two. Click on Make It, and I'm going to select them and place them on the center of the mat. I'm going to place the wood veneer on the top center of the mat. Continue, and here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. Click on Browse All Materials and type wood veneer. Select it. If you wish to add it to your favorite, click on the flag, then click on Done. And here is indicating us that we need to load the dip point blade, the black blade. Now let's go to the machine. For this project, I'm going to use my Cricut Maker 1/32 millimeters natural wood veneer. I got this one at Hobby Lobby, but you can also order it from Amazon. I'm going to link both of them in the video description below. Since this one comes in natural color, at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to stain it. Dip point blade, strong grip cutting mat, that one is the purple cutting mat, and painter's tape. I'm going to link the free templates and all the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. Now I'm going to replace the cutting blade. I'm going to be using the dip point blade. Next, I'm going to place the wood veneer on the cutting mat. I'm going to secure it with painter's tape. Now, before starting with the cut, Cricut recommends to move the white star wheels all the way to the right, but I like to place 2 on each side. It needed 4 passes to cut it. Let's see how it cut. They are very cute. I love them. We can also use the cuts from the center so we don't waste them. I like to paint them with acrylic paint. I just put a thin layer of paint. I let them dry and then I glue them using tacky glue. Also, you can stain the wooden bookmarks. I like to use this wood stain. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. Just add a very thin layer of stain and then wipe it off using a rag or a paper towel. Do the same on the back of the bookmark. Let them dry and ready. They are very pretty. You can leave them like that, but you can also add another layer with a different color on the back. For example, on this one, I will place a green cardstock layer. The design is going to look pretty. This is optional, but I like how it looks. You can leave it like that, or you can glue it on the back if you wish. After this, I will decorate them with tassels. If you would like to learn how to make bookmark tassels, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. I will link it in the video description below and on the top right corner of the screen. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial of how to cut natural wood veneer and how to make wooden bookmarks with Cricut. Remember to check the description below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. If you like this video, I invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.